Welcome to the world of AI-powered productivity, where the possibilities are endless and the benefits are undeniable. In this episode, we'll explore the top AI tools and strategies for maximizing your productivity, from automating repetitive tasks to enhancing your creativity. But before we dive in, let's take a closer look at the problem. The average person spends over 2 hours a day on repetitive tasks that could be automated with AI, resulting in a significant loss of productivity and potential earnings. This is not only frustrating, but also holds you back from achieving your goals and pursuing your passions. But what if you could reclaim those lost hours and use them to focus on high-leverage activities that drive real results? That's where AI comes in, and we're excited to show you how to harness its power.
Now that we've identified the problem, let's take a deep dive into the world of AI-powered productivity tools. One of the most popular tools is ChatGPT, which can help you with tasks such as email management, data entry, and even content creation. Another tool is Zapier, which allows you to automate repetitive tasks by connecting different apps and services. We'll also explore the world of machine learning and how it can be used to enhance your productivity, from predictive analytics to personalized recommendations. The key is to find the right tools and strategies that work for you and your unique workflow. So let's take a closer look at some of the top AI tools and platforms that can help you maximize your productivity.
Now that we've explored the world of AI-powered productivity tools, let's address some of the controversies surrounding AI and its impact on the workforce. One of the biggest concerns is that AI will replace human jobs, leaving many people without employment. However, while AI may automate some tasks, it also creates new opportunities for jobs that we cannot even imagine yet. The key is to focus on developing skills that are complementary to AI, such as critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving. We'll also discuss the importance of AI governance and ensuring that these tools are used responsibly and ethically. So, let's take a closer look at the controversy surrounding AI and its impact on the workforce.
As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in shaping the world of work and beyond. From virtual assistants to augmented reality, the possibilities are endless and the potential is vast. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of AI-powered virtual assistants, which can help you manage your schedule, emails, and even your mental health. We'll also explore the world of AI-powered education and how it can help you develop new skills and knowledge. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and be open to new technologies and innovations. So let's take a closer look at the future of AI and its potential impact on our lives.
In conclusion, maximizing your productivity with AI is a game changer that can help you achieve your goals and pursue your passions. By leveraging the power of AI, you can automate repetitive tasks, enhance your creativity, and focus on high-leverage activities that drive real results. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today and start exploring the world of AI-powered productivity tools. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and productivity, and join the conversation by sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe now.